Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel like money controls your life? You work hard, you earn, but still money disappears. What if you could understand money the way rich people do? Today we will learn 12 powerful money rules that can completely change your life. These rules are simple, but they are not easy. If you follow them, your future will never be the same. Rule 1. Spend less than you earn. This is the most basic rule. If you earn 100, don't spend 100. Spend 70 or 80. Save the rest. Rich people always live below their means. Poor people try to look rich. Rich people try to stay rich. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Before paying bills, before spending, save money for yourself. Even if it's small, 10% is enough to start. This is how wealth begins. Rule 3. Understand assets with liabilities. This is a powerful idea. Assets equal things that make you money, liabilities, things that take money from you. Examples: assets, business investments, rental income, liabilities, expensive phone, unnecessary car, luxury items. Rich people buy assets first. Rule 4. Build multiple income streams. Never depend on one income. If one stops, everything stops. Try to create side business, online income, investments. More income equal more security. Rule 5. Save before you spend. Most people spend fast and save later. Rich people do the opposite. They save fast and spend what is left. Rule 6. Avoid bad debt. Not all debt is bad, but some debt is dangerous. Credit card debt. Buying things you don't need. Good debt helps you grow. Bad debt makes you poor. Rule 7. Invest early. Time is your best friend. The earlier you start, the more money grows. Even small money can become big because of compound growth. Rule 8. Learn financial skills. School teaches many things, but not money. You must learn saving, investing, business, budgeting. Knowledge is power. Rule 9. Control your emotions. Money is emotional. People buy things to feel happy, but rich people stay calm. They think before spending. Rule 10. Take smart risks. No risk equal no growth, but don't take blind risks. Learn, plan, then act. Rule 11. Be patient. Wealth does not come fast. It takes time. Years, not days. Stay consistent. Rule 12. Think long term. Poor people think about today. Rich people think about the future. Every decision matters. Money is not just about earning, it's about thinking differently. Start small, stay disciplined. Money is not magic, it is a system. If you follow the right rules, you will see results. Money itself won't make you happy, but it gives you choices. Focus on what money enables: security, opportunities, and helping others. If you believe I will never be rich, you won't take action. I can learn and grow. You will find opportunities. Wealth starts in your thinking before it appears in your bank account. You can lose money and earn it back. You cannot get time back. Invest your time in learning. Avoid wasting years in bad habits. Start now. Even small steps today can change your future. You don't need to be born rich. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need a decision to start, the patience to continue, the discipline to improve. If this video helped you understand money, like the video. Subscribe for more. Share with someone who needs this because financial knowledge can change lives.